Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to set up two-step verification on your TikTok account. It is very simple, so let's get started right away. The first thing you need to do is to open up the TikTok app. From here, you want to go to the profile in the bottom right corner. You want to click on the three little lines in the top right corner and click Settings and Privacy. From here, you want to click Security and Login. And then as you can see on this page, there is an option for two-step verification. You want to click on this. And then so here, you need to pick two out of the three verification methods. The first one being text, second one being email, and the third one being the password. So once you do this, you'll be able to turn it on. And this two-step verification, what it does is that if you try to log in from a different device or a third-party app, it will ask you for a certain verification, either with the two options that you provided, just in case if somebody tries to hack into your account. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to leave a like to the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as it helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the